What's up, ladies? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and this video was made especially for you. All right, now listen up. Now, I thought this was a nice watch face for you, something different that you might want to play over the weekend or the holiday weekend, that is. It's different, but I thought it was nice. Now, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this was a hit or a miss for you. All right. Now, the name of the watch face is called DGT Nurse, and you don't have to be a nurse to play this watch face. I just thought it was something different. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the day, your date. Also, you're going to get a nice digital time, and I'm loving the font in the always on mode. And the font looks just as good when the watch face is on. So if you look at the top, you are going to get your calendar information, your date. You're also going to get a nice digital time, 12 hours and or 24, depending on the format that you set. Also, you're going to be able to get your settings, make a phone call, calories burned, miles walked or ran. Also, you come down a little bit more, you will get your step info. And you ladies, I know that's important for you all. A lot of you all that are exercising, that is. And you get your battery info down at the bottom. But if you look up to the left, you will get your heart rate information. So I thought it was full of features and functions, which made this look nice. And the actual watch face is different from most watch faces that I have reviewed in the past, right? Now, it is inactive, so if you need to go into your calendar, set an event, or just see the date that's coming up, you can do that. Of course, your digital time, go into your settings, and it's pretty much precise. This is not bad at all. You got the music player, you can go in and make a phone call, step info. This I thought was really nice. Again, ladies, let me know if this was a hit or a miss for you. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend. Again, be safe, have fun, enjoy family and friends, and I'll see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.